Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. My name is Michael. In today's video, passive income opportunity that I just want to talk about. I have been in this platform for over a year now. I have earned my capital back, and the package I actually started off from, I've talked about this intensively on this channel. If you want to watch this video, more video, go and look for this platform. It's called Validus. Validus is one of my first game changer for the whole of last year through this year. A package I bought, I actually made money over 350% back from this platform. Now what I want to say is this: now in this platform, passive, consistently 100% passive is what you earn here. Now no networking here on this platform, no contacting people for you to get on board, no product sale, no marketing. Sit at home, a company will trade for you and gives you weekly dollars. Yes, it is true. Validus has been able to do that for me in the past 1 year, and they are still doing it now. Business home, they have offices in Dubai, a massive place in Dubai. Actually, year of establishment was August 2021. We have already done officially launched in January, and we have done 1 year fully. Company is registered in USA. You can actually go and do your due diligence and make your inquiry about this thing. How with 4 friends, 3 to 35 years trading experience, GMC marketing strategy. That is the founder of this platform. The educational package, like I said, it starts from the minimum of $50. Upon company invests your money in the Validus pool, they trade on cryptocurrency, Forex, stock, staking, NFT, equity, and all of that. Gaming, DeFi. Rewards are between about 3 to 2 to 3% every week. Compounding is allowed here. Invest $1,000, you earn $3,500 in 60 weeks. That is about 15 months without making any networking or contacting people on this platform. Now they have 5 types of income in Validus. They have direct bonus, which is 10%, network bonus, which is 10%, metrics residual. You should have about 5,000 at a team and 15,000 direct, sponsored by you. From B and C, you earn $1 daily from each of these members in your company metrics. Now team reward bonus, to continue earning package will automatically renew in 15 months. Now they have passive 30, which gives him money on a daily basis. Passive 30% of your commission in networking contributed to your monthly passive income every month. Withdrawal fee is 5% on this platform. 10% binary commission paid at least last night of Validus love this, love back you. Now if you want to come on board, Validus is an amazing platform. Amazing. I have earned over 350% of my money in Validus. You can see this graph here. If you know what this is convertible, what is convert here, the volume here is converted. If you know what it is in Validus, if you know what it is to make money passively, Validus is the way to go. And I'm bringing this to you with full confidence, and I'm telling you, you can send your money to work and go to sleep. Validus is one of the best places to be, and I'm very happy to be part of this wonderful and amazing opportunity. Now if you want to click to get on board, it's as simple as ABCD. There's a link in the description of this video. You can actually sign up here and sign up with any package of your choice. I've explained them in this video, from $50 to $10,000. And if you do $1,000 for the next 15 months, you are going home with about $3,500 home, and that's about $2,500 in a whole year. If that money lies in your wallet and you're not trading with it, you don't have time to trade, and you put it to work in Validus, you are going to make a lot of money. And I'm telling you the truth, this has been a game changer for me. It's my number one, and I'm going to do a comprehensive video, tell you what are my 3 passive income, or 4 or 5 of them, that gives me money on a daily basis without doing anything from the comfort of my home. If you find this video helpful, you know what to do. Why not subscribe to this channel, bell icon, share, like, comment. See you guys in the next.